heard about Human Japanese to learn Japanese? If so, this is for you. Human Japanese is a great starting point, especially for readers. So what does Human Japanese do well? Konnichiwa, I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher, and I studied Applied Japanese Linguistics. If you want to speak confidently, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so we'll keep improving together. Here are 4 features that help build basic habits. 1. Text-based lessons. Reading a full of English explanation is fun for readers. 2. Japanese scripts. You learn how hiragana, katakana, and kanji are used. 3. Listening and speaking. You listen to short phrases after a digital, and getting a full explanation of pronunciation is helpful, although it doesn't let you practice how to articulate. 4. Grammar and vocabulary. You learn common words and basic grammar through a full of explanation in English. If you've used Human Japanese, great job! You've learned hiragana and katakana thoroughly and understand basic grammar structure. But what's missing? Human Japanese is limited when it comes to real communication. You read about all grammatical structure and lack listening and speaking practice. You read set phrases but struggle to express your real thought. Lessons lack culture nuance. It's important to understand the cultural gap, why Japanese people say like this. Adult learners can learn far better with cultural explanation behind expression. You learn phrases but you often don't need to say them in your life. Nuno, cross materials, and nikibi, pimples, especially for beginner Japanese lessons. To communicate naturally and interact smoothly with a native, you need more than reading. You need real communication practice with cross-cultural understanding. Why is Master Speaking Japanese different? Master Speaking Japanese is designed to help you speak confidently, naturally, and personally with the support of real native teachers. 1. Real-life lesson videos. These will help you learn in context with clear, useful scenarios. For example, Lesson 1. How to order your favorite food at a table. Lesson 2. How to take out your favorite drink. Lesson 3. How to ask about items that you really want to buy in a shop. You can understand how to act politely like a native speaker. You'll see authentic body language and tone. Each lesson includes 3 short videos up to the first 17 lessons and 4 videos afterwards, all about 5 minutes each. Watch it at your coffee break. Plus, you can access the audio version of the model conversation while you're walking. 2. Personalized speaking practice. Repeat after natural human voice of native speakers. Practice conversations relevant to your own life. You'll be able to talk about tonkotsu ramen if you love it. Question and answer format helps you think and respond naturally in real time. 3. Clear grammar and vocabulary. You'll understand grammar deeply with cultural context and nuance. Speak as yourself using vocabulary that matches your real-life needs. For example, if you like Japanese whiskey, you can ask for the whiskey section in a department store. 4. Human interaction. Learn from videos featuring native Japanese speakers, including me, your teacher. Receive expert tips and feedback to help you study smarter, not harder. Are you ready to speak Japanese for real? If you're serious about connecting with Japanese people and expressing yourself naturally, try Master Speaking Japanese. Get started with 7 free lesson videos and join live support sessions with me, or gift a short Japanese course for your loved one. Please sign up from www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Let's take your Japanese to the next level together. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.